game launch blocked by the Xgameruntime DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. This DLL file is a core component of the Xbox Game Runtime for Windows. It manages the integration between games and Xbox services, including user profiles, achievements, and cloud saves for titles in the Microsoft Store ecosystem. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. When the Xgameruntime DLL is reported as missing, it often points to a corrupted graphics stack. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to fix legacy DirectX components, and ensure your GPU drivers are updated if the file is associated with CUDA, OpenCL, or OpenGL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the Xgameruntime component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Warning: the Xgameruntime DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to the Xgameruntime. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Windows OS Core, Xbox error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.